How to stop comparing yourself to others. If you spend any time on social media, it's normal to compare yourself to others, and perhaps to feel envious of them. You are inundated with holiday photographs, status updates, and glossy advertisements after only a few scrolls. However, this does not imply that you must keep up in order to live a happy and fulfilling life. We'll show you how to avoid specific triggers in this article so you can stop comparing yourself to others. You can find some useful coping mechanisms by scrolling down if your comparing thoughts are making you feel unhappy. 1. Find your triggers and stay away from them. Pay attention to the people or situations that trigger your habit if you want to quit comparing yourself to other people. Do you feel unsatisfied with your life after viewing luxurious products? Exists a person that continually makes you feel unworthy? So that you can reduce your exposure to these circumstances, note your comparing thoughts as soon as they arise. 2. Make a list of your best qualities. When you downplay your skills, it's simpler to compare yourself to others. You might concentrate entirely on their advantages while completely ignoring your own. Make a list of your assets and talents, such as having a great sense of style or being an excellent listener, in order to prevent engaging in this harmful behavior. You can learn to appreciate yourself and increase your self-esteem by focusing on your positive attributes. 3. Keep an appreciation diary. Keep a thankfulness notebook to help you identify the things you might take for granted and give them their due appreciation. Start journaling by thinking about the simple things that make you happy and listing your reasons for gratitude. You can change your emphasis from others to yourself by recognizing the positive things of your life. 4. The opposite of jealousy is appreciation. Think about the benefit that other people can provide. If you have high achiever pals, you can think about tapping into their networks, which are likely to be full of people who can make your life more successful. Be encouraging and take advantage of their achievement rather than enviously wishing it were you instead. 5. Work on developing your skills. Instead than concentrating on your weaknesses, consider where you might improve. Take classes, workshops, or lessons to improve your knowledge and abilities, and don't be shy about asking for assistance when you need it. You may increase your self-confidence and discover your place and importance by putting yourself first. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.